Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and today I'm going to review the Sport&do Mifo S true wireless earphones with ANC. They have touch controls, 6 mics to help with the noise cancellation. There's a balanced armature, speaker driver unit, sterile earplugs, battery life up to 40 hours. That's 6 hours on the earphones themselves plus the case, and you've got IP67 dust and water resistance. So these are designed to be used in the gym. They are for the active person. I'm going to show you, these are the most beautiful looking true wireless earphones I have ever seen. And I'm going to show you, I've got 2 different finishes, and I'm going to show you what they look like as we go through what's in the box. But very briefly, just to give you some idea, that each earbud is very small, very light, and they weigh 3.5 grams each. ANC, ENC, noise reduction for calls. There's a transparency mode. It's Bluetooth 5.2, and the rest of it we'll just cover off as we go through the review. So here we have the 2 finishes. I've just taken them out of the box straight away so you can see what they look like. When you pull both these out, you get a nice green box like so, and that's the information they have on the back there for you. Now I'll show you what these look like. As you can see, this is just an example of 2 of the options that are available. When my wife got to see the white, she absolutely just snapped and said, wow, I want that. She absolutely loved it. So let's take a look. As you can see, it's just a really nice finish. Let's take one out of the case. Inside the case, you'll see there's the LEDs that you have as well. And if I show you one of these, you can see how compact they are. Really small size, just beautiful. Now let's compare. I mean, the attention to detail, this is lovely. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? In the box, you get this lovely coloured cable. It's the same colour, whichever one you go for. You get 2 different size ear tips as well. They all come inside this case, and in here you get the instructions. Here it shows you how to pair. It shows you the touch controls, double tap, end call, play pause, 1 second hold, mild noise cancellation, transparency mode, strong noise cancellation, and you've got on off low latency mode as well, which is tap 5 times. You can adjust the volume as well, and it shows you how to reset, press 3 times, the LEDs in the charging case as well. All very straightforward. So you've seen what's in the box. Let me show you again. Let's open this up. I mean, these it doesn't matter whether you like the other finish or this, utterly beautiful. Now to show you how well they fit in the ears, and they are so compact and small that you just don't notice or feel them in your ears. They are so comfortable. I can wear these for hours and hours. Now, when I first opened the other finish, my wife said, I'm having those straight away, because a lot of the percentage of the cost has gone into this really solid case with this beautiful opening mechanism. Anyone that sees these will absolutely love them. They are really amazing. So let's talk about sound quality, call quality, latency on video. What you have in terms of latency is that you have a good latency system, so you can watch videos. I didn't have any issues watching video. Gaming, very slight latency. I've not come across probably anything Bluetooth wise that kills latency when playing games. Gaming is quite a tricky one when you're using it wireless, unless you spend a lot of money, and every piece of your equipment is exceptionally good and expensive. The other thing in terms of calls, the people could hear me really well. Not the very best that I've heard for phone calls or listening, but they were still pretty good, to be honest. And I had no issue, nor did anybody else at the other end. In fact, on one of the calls, I didn't even realise it was on a headset. It was that good. But they're not ultimately the best. I still think ultimately AirPods Pro for phone calls are the best. But where these score is with their balanced armature. So I know, because these are designed to be used in a sort of sporting way in the gym, and so therefore in the gym you're not going to be listening to Beethoven, you're going to be listening to some very energetic music, and this is the genre these are designed for. Modern rock, pop, dance, electronic, hip hop. These have the balanced armature produces a very hard, impactful sound, very dynamic, very engaging. Now, when you try and say, well, what about other stuff like classical? No, because the focus, they're not an over bright headphone, they're not bright at all. The bass is there as the driver to make you feel good when you're working out. So definitely for that type of music, I wouldn't use jazz, blues, classical. It's not that type of wireless earphone. As I said, it has the treble is subdued. The mids are slightly subdued as well because of that strong bass. And it's a very impactful, powerful, hard-hitting bass. And it's quite surprising when you actually hear it come through. But if I was in the gym working out, these are exactly what I want to be using to listen to. Really, really good in that respect. My word, don't they just look terrific? Utterly terrific. Now, if you have a look at, I left the link, and you can check out some of the other finishes they have as well. They're just beautiful. You know, instead of having these boring white and black boxes, you've got something that really looks a stunner. Anyway, I really like these. These are what I use when I go out doing my walks on Dartmoor. So I'm going to have a bit of energy when I'm trying to keep up for the long walks that I do. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.